Well, it's the end of January. Not too many videos are being posted anywhere on YouTube except for ice fishing and maybe Florida. But here in South Carolina, it's been awful. January and December has been awful fishing, surf fishing, saltwater, ICW, Waccamaw River. It's been awful. But the temperature came up to 56 degrees, and I decided to go to 53rd, which is Cherry Grove, which is saltwater, and ride around, and nothing. I went to ICW, nothing, and I'm finally here at Waccamaw River. I took the kayak out. Well, let's take a look. Don't expect too much. Remember, it's end of January. Well, the water is receding. It used to be all the way up past the boat ramp, but it's coming down. Middle of January on the Waccamaw River. I'm trying to catch something. Let you know if anything's happening. If anything, I suspect an eel. But the wind, the rain is picking up. Let's see, do I feel anything? Something was biting it. Whoa! I think I do have something. You know what? I bet you it's an eel. Yep. Yep. I was going to keep him, but it's going to be awful nasty the next couple of days. So let's just let him go. Well, how do you let an eel go? Cut the hook off. I tried everywhere. The water temperature is 54 degrees. Ocean and Waccamaw River is all the same. Had the kayak out at the Cherry Grove, 53rd Street. Nothing. ICW, nothing. Finally here, I'm getting something. Something small, but at least something is taking interest. But December and January, I couldn't catch it. Didn't catch anything. Maybe tomorrow I'll take the kayak out. The same place right here. Get out of the current. See if I catch something. Something small. Move to a different location. It's pulling at it. I have to know what that stuff is. I mean, it's a tiny hook. It just bites right around, just pulls it right off. Right around the circle hook, just pulls it off. Oh, did you hear that? That was a turtle jumping off the tree. He's just chilling on these trees. Is this thing gonna take it? Okay, let's see what happens. Tell you. Lock it in. What do you think it is? Got him? I bet it's an eel. Wrapped up. No. How about that? How about that? Finally, we know what it is. It's a baby catfish, baby channel catfish. They're just stealing my bait. Hey, that's all right. That's all right. Mama will be here soon. Something is interested. This is the small hook. Let's take a look. Got it locked in. Last time I caught a nice size sunfish brim. I should leave it go because it is a circle hook. He's pulling on it. Okay, you know what? Let's just pull back. Yeah, feels like I got something. Just pull back gently. Come on, get over these. Gotta get them over the trees. What do we got? Another one. Be careful how you handle them. You don't want to get stung. But look at that tiny circle hook. Yeah, that's my alarm clock. Do I want to go golfing or do I want to fish? I really want to fish. Isn't it pretty? But I'm running out of bait. I tell you what, you get stung sometimes. You get blood poisoning for these things. Oh yeah, you gotta watch yourself. You get that blood poisoning, boy, your arm will swell up. I don't know what to do. I think I'm going to keep fishing. Well, it's been a while since between bites. Let me see. I'm definitely getting a bite. The bail's still open. If it's a big one, and he could run with it. It's all small fish. Right now the water temperature is 52 degrees. It was 54 yesterday. Yeah, he's biting it. I'm gonna lock it in. He's still biting it. lift it up. And of course there's a tree right there. Do I still have them? Yeah, he's still there. Oh, got him out of that tree, okay. So I still have him. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Something I really did not want. Well, I'm going to cut the hook. Usually when you catch these eels, they swallow the hook. So, oh well, they'll be alright. Don't come on the board. There he goes. Don't want him on the boat. Not that he would bite. I just don't want him. Well, that's it for January. I'm hoping February the water temperature will come up. I think 65, 70 is a magical number. And I'll hit the ICW next time we have a warm-up. But until then, it'll be just Waccamaw River. I'll go to 53rd, see if anybody's catching anything, but there's no boats in the parking lot, so. Hold on, everybody. We gotta run here. Small hook. Okay, to run. Let me, what am I gonna do here? I need to get this right out of the way, that's for sure. You know what? Come on. Let me let this one go. Okay, let's pick this one up, get this out of the way. This is not a good place to do it anyway. Ready? Up. Okay. Now, we got that out of the way. This guy, oh, this guy's still moving. Okay, let's lock him in. Okay, I have to go around this pole. Good. Okay, now we can bring him in. No net. Okay. It is. Uh-oh. Okay. Keep it up. Okay. He's coming in all right. Leg is set good. Shouldn't lose him. Here we go. Come on, let's see what you are. Sure you are a catfish. Yeah, he's going in circles. Okay. Nothing humongous. Ready? Up. Come on aboard, Mr. Catfish. Okay. This is open in case he gets away. Don't worry, catfish could be out of the water for a while. I've seen them in Asian markets for hours. And you see, this is the problem without a circle hook. Can I get the hook out? I'm gonna have to leave it with him. That's the problem with circle hooks, with having not a circle hook, a J hook. I'm gonna have to pick up some more small circle hooks. You know what? Let's let him have it. He's not going to give it up. All I'm going to do is hurt him. Well, how about that? At the end of January, water temperature came up a little bit, and we got ourselves a nice sized catfish. Little fatty one. Okay, let's let him go. I gave him the hook. It was a J hook. I don't like J hooks, but I don't have any small circle hooks. So the temperature came up and the fish are starting to bite. Let me see. Let's help this guy out.